Hello and welcome to the episode 6 of Code Deep Dive. In this episode I will show how tuple is designed in C++. Let's create tuple object containing three elements: integer, character, and float value. Since makeTuple has const expression attribute, I am using volatile to force runtime invocation. MakeTuple is templated function that captures all types of passed arguments. It returns tuple object that contains all elements of types declared via function arguments. Let's deep dive into constructor. Tuple class inherits from tuple imp. Let's picture that. Inherited type definition is tuple imp with index 0. When calling tuple imp, we see that it inherits from base and inherited. Inherited is type definition of tuple imp with incremented index. Base is a type definition of head base with current index and head parameter. Tuple imp is templated structure that accepts integer index and head parameter, and in alternative version a tail parameter. When calling base constructor, only tail part is passed to the inherited type. Once only head is left, the alternative tuple imp structure is used, which inherits from head base class only. Head base contains single attribute of type passed as template. It's now set to float value 3.14. The next head is 2, and the last one is 1. The resulting object is a representation of such type hierarchy. To make a diagram complete, we should visualize it via some kind of recurrence. Let's look at the memory layout. We should look up three values, 1, 2, and 3.14. Value 1 is stored after 8 bytes, character 2 after 4 bytes, and the float value starting from the first byte. In this episode, we saw how tuple is designed in C++. In the next video, I will show how attributes of the tuple can be accessed. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope this helps you creating something great. Thanks for watching.